We are at Bartlett Lake kayaking again. This is their second time. This little guy almost threw us over, getting excited, going by people. There's a tango right over there. We're parked on like the edge of the island. So there's a decent amount of people out today. It's a Friday, September 7th. 1716. Oh, fish just jumped over there. Look at that snaggles. Look at that snaggles. Let's see if I can turn the boat around so you guys can see the boys better. The light is right in the camera. There we go. There's the snaggles. That's the snaggle bubs. Striker's just chilling. You like this, Striker? You just relax, huh, bubs? Oh, boys. Oh, here's the door. Those cute little boots. Striker, where's your boots at? Blue ones. Too big. Too big though. This is nice out here. Looks like some rain over there. Rain coming down there, and I saw some back over there earlier. But yeah, there's some over there now. Alright, guys. Let's go row over there.